In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rating questions in Google Forms. Whether you're gathering feedback or conducting a survey, incorporating rating scales can help you get clear and concise responses. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Google Drive on your browser. If you're not already there, just navigate to drive.google.com, and once it loads, you'll be ready for the next step. Now look towards the left-hand side of the screen and click on the brightly colored New button. This button is your gateway to creating almost anything within Google Drive, including Google Forms. After clicking New, a menu will pop up where you'll want to select Google Forms. You should see an option to create a blank form, so go ahead and choose blank form to start with a clean slate. Now that you have your blank Google form open, the first thing you might want to do is give it a title. A clear and descriptive name sets the right tone for the users filling it out, so make sure your form's title reflects its purpose. Once you've named your form, it's time to add some descriptions. This is a great place to provide any instructions or context that your respondents might need. Think about what information would be helpful to someone filling out the form and include that here. With the name and description in place, it's time to add your first question. Click on the plus sign to add a question and then decide which type fits best for your needs. Google Forms offers a variety of options, but since we're focusing on rating, you'll want to pay attention to the options available for creating a scale. Take a look at the options provided and select the multiple choice grid from the responses dropdown. This format allows you to set up a matrix style question where respondents can rate items across multiple criteria. You'll want to fill in the grid with your desired rating scales. For example, if you're asking for satisfaction, your columns might range from 1 to 5, representing a scale from very unsatisfied to very satisfied. Once you've set your columns, it's time to add the questions or items you want rated to the rows section. Each row represents a single item or aspect that you want feedback on. After setting up the grid, ensure your questions are mandatory by toggling the required option. This guarantees that every participant provides their input for all items. To refine your form even further, click on the 3 vertical dots, also known as the More button. From here, enable the option to limit to 1 response per column. This is particularly useful to ensure participants only select 1 answer per item, preserving the integrity of your rating scale. Once everything looks good, hit publish to make your form live and accessible to your intended audience. Before wrapping up, make sure to preview your form by clicking the preview icon, which resembles an eye located at the top of the form page.